Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be presenting you the results of a small study conducted with 10 students in Tech Milenio. The purpose was to understand how students perceive the difficulty of their subjects, both those related to their careers and those that are not. To begin, each student was interviewed individually. They were asked to describe which subjects felt easier to them and which ones they found more challenging. The main idea was to understand whether career alignment influences how difficult or easy a subject feels. A clear pattern appeared in the responses. Students generally feel more comfortable, interested, and confident in subjects that are directly related to their career field. Subjects outside the area tend to feel more challenging and require more effort and study time. We have the example of a marketing student. For example, she reported that they enjoyed subjects such as marketing intelligence and consumer behavior because they feel relevant and useful for their future professional goals. However, the same student said that finance or statistics were more difficult and require more hours of study because those classes involve skills that are less familiar to them. In example of an engineering student, they mentioned that they prefer subjects like programming and project design, which they find more intuitive and aligned with what they want to do in their careers. In contrast, subjects such as sociology or communication skills felt harder and required more studying because they felt less connected to their interests and personal strengths. And why this happens? This trend can be explained by both motivations and familiarity. When a subject is relevant to a student's goals, they are usually more motivated and learn more quickly. On the other hand, when a subject feels disconnected from their career, it only seems more difficult, but students also report needing to spend more time studying in order to understand the material. To support these interviews, students also rated subject difficulty on a 0 to a 10 scale. On average, subjects related to their career were rated around 3, meaning they were perceived as relatively easy. Subjects not related to their career were rated around 7, meaning they were significantly harder. Additionally, students reported that they study approximately twice as long for subjects not related to their career compared to those that were aligned with it. This bar chart visually demonstrates the difference perceived difficulty. As we can see, subjects that are related to the student's career are rated lower in a difficulty, while unrelated subjects receive higher difficulty scores. This also corresponds to a higher study time investment of the more time difficult subjects. In conclusion, the study shows that students are more engaged and find it easier to learn when subjects align with their career paths. Meanwhile, subjects that feel unrelated require more effort, more time, and feel significantly more challenging. Understanding this can help educators design better learning experiences and help students manage their study strategies more effectively. Thank you for listening. Are there any questions?